Looking at this level 3 question for exponent properties, it says 3 square roots of 2 plus 15 times 2 to the 1/2 power. This problem is different than all of the other problems in the entire topic because it has a plus sign. Normally, we've been dealing with only multiplication and division signs, but here we have a plus sign. So I need to think about this like combining like terms. I need to ask myself, what does this term have in common with this term? Well, the first thing that I see is that both pieces have a 2 in them. However, these two 2's are slightly different. This 2 is a square root of 2, while this 2 is 2 to the 1/2. Well, luckily, if you remember from the level 2 questions, a power of 1/2 is the same as the square root of 2. Because if I take this bottom 2 and put it on the outside of my radical, in order to make my fractional exponent into a radical, it would mean the exact same thing as the square root of 2, because you do not need the 2 out there for it to mean 2. So I can rewrite the second part of this problem as 15 square roots of 2. So if I bring down the original problem, now what I have is 3 square roots of 2 plus 15 square roots of 2. And I do have something in common. I have a square root of 2 and I have a square root of 2. Now that both of these terms have something exactly in common, all I need to do is add together the coefficients. So 3 plus 15 gives me 18, and then I simply put the square root of 2 behind it. And this would be my final answer. Something that you could connect this to is early in the year when we were doing things like 3x plus 15x. Both of these terms have an x in common, so all I need to do is take their coefficients and add them together. 3 plus 15 would give me 18. The x stays behind. These two problems are very similar, except this time what they have in common is the square root of 2.